guys, welcome to a special Let's Play of Amnesia. I'm sitting here with my friend Weyland. As I said yesterday, I was going to hang out with him, but I guess he wanted to be involved with Let's Play, so I said the more the merrier.
This will be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be something. Last time we left off, we discovered some key in the library, and we were to go down to like somewhere. Mix all those perfect little compounds or something. I remember finding something.
We'll figure it out in just a second. I'm sure it'll remind us. Hey, the sun's upside down.
It's very symbolic, this game, about certain things. Whenever they actually take stuff like Edgar Allan Poe and actually get into the storyline to make you so creepier. Yeah. I don't have my phone. Okay, so obviously, as I showed you before, this kind of looks familiar. You saw that monster.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see here. I'm just gonna make a dollars for this one. Oh, let's see. There's no map to this place. This sucks. Okay.
Why are your footsteps so loud? Sounds like someone's hungry.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What's that clear?
It's your sanity.
Okay.
So it describes about, I'm sorry, what you were hearing. Monster things that you saw earlier.
Okay.
So that's why they're kind of freaking out.
Now I remember, you're safest in the dark, but you also lose your sanity.
So oftentimes I will act like saying gave way, his entire body fell between his back. The wind gently sweep across his face, his dry across his lips. Yeah, that's weird.
Yummy. Freaking out, man! You're freaking out!
Ah!
Oh my god!
Everything's coming to life, look!
Oh wow! Is that a hallucination?
No, it's real.
Oh ew!
Horses.
They started my courses!
No, like some sort of sequence or something. Try to remember. Enough of them in Vegas, right? Your sanity is dangerously low. Make sure to stay in the
I see. Oh, that must be your sanity right there. Number 68.
That's the frame rate. My sanity is kind of non-existent.
Oh, okay.
So let's like stay put here for a minute. It's kind of freaking out. You can pass out in this game when you lose your sanity.
Alright, but there's no real sanity meter?
There is. It's just that.
Oh.
Sanity ... But your health is... Oh, good.
Okay.
So it's like kind of contradicting itself right there.
You're alive, you're just almost...
Freaking out, man!
Yeah.
He's freaking out! Hopefully nothing will come out and jump out. Things that can, if your sanity's reaching. Hopefully they don't beat you in this game.
Get to the light, get to the light! You're gonna lose it!
Yeah, that's down to where that compound thing was or whatever.
Yeah.
To put it against that. I don't know how exactly to explain Come on. desert dunes where I'm like way into the sun. See the caravan moved to land. Motionless of the camp in the hills. It's interesting. To say the least. Just safe, I'm sure I yeah, we went into snowy darkness for a second. Right, like.
Where did the Baron go?
Who cares? He left us enough wine to last us a lifetime! Or at least until tomorrow!
Flashback.
Yep. Of course you have it if you haven't read it.
Alright, are we done great tantrums?
It's cold. It's so cold.
You done?
Sure.
Jesus.
I'm good. I'm still alive.
Maybe you should open up your lantern. For a second.
Better yet.
No, you don't waste it.
My oil.
Yeah.
Gauge.
Nice. Is there a point?
Yeah, the door's blocked.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
You forgot that already? What the hell?
I just thought you liked moving rocks. My bad.
Well, it's kind of necessary if you want to block your doorway later on in the game.
Yeah. If you'd have time. God, he's doing all this with one hand and this with strong.
Yeah, sadly. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to test to make sure, but sometimes there's something else turns out like tricky. Sights getting late. What is that supposed to mean?
Well, it's like game's physics.
Ah.
Makes objects move and stuff.
Well, I know that, but...
Crash the button. Oh my god!
What's happening? Oh, it feels like my chest is going to burst.
Harper!
My God! Wilhelm, do something!
Accept it. We're not getting out of here.
How can you say that? Alexander, you piece of shit! Let us out of here!
Chill, Alexander!
It's not hard sources of everyone's candles.
Put the bottle in the thingy. Aqua.
So apparently something happened, and it's not really interesting.
By observant of you.
Well, can't help it if show it everything.
Yeah. I'm sure if they're really interested, they could pause the video and read it themselves.
Yeah, there is such thing as a pause button, people.
You know what I would have done? I would have tried to like lift up the chairs and put them back. Oh, I guess you can.
Well, you can try.
That would drive me crazy. This place is a mess.
Somebody should clean it up. So if I remember correctly, the last one's grab or whatever. What was it? It was where you see the monster.
Yeah.
That's right, that's everything.
Alright.
Oh, what's it?
Your eyesight's gone.
Only like really close to stop at that. No, I can't jump at the door. Thanks.
Oh, that's wonderful. Guess it was just a coincidence.
Nothing's a coincidence. Speaking of which, I should check the sound. Head is pounding, hands are shaking. Hey! Oh, used to that. And I can say to it because this last thing, I actually know where to hide so where he doesn't. That's if I do it right.
You do it left?
Yeah. Just a bit of advice. If he does pass out, you're better off doing it in the same place. And I can't really control that. I've been playing way too much Thief. Oftentimes I can't really control what he does. I'm trying to move the mouse, but
He's moving.
it's because there's an enemy there. That's why he's giving you that hint.
Okay. Light.
Definitely, I don't want to light the mountains. Because that's my words.
Yeah, but you're near light already.
That's what happens. You're better off being in the same place, making sure there's somebody safe.
Did you pass out?
Not necessarily.
Oh, you're just calling on the hands and knees. I thought that was kind of like a chillaxing color.
A chillaxing bullet. That's okay.
I can't wait till it says, "You're freaking out, man."
So this is the area I'm gonna do.
So do you need all this?
Just do this right. Yeah. See him?
No. Oh, I see. It's just blurry.
Yeah, because he's freaking out.
Oh. Oh God, yeah.
Stand forward to the left.
Jesus, everything's breathing.
Everything's breathing. Yeah, that's basically about it. There? I don't want to keep on controlling them. I don't want to control them. So like, it's a nice feature. You're not supposed to be making eye contact.
I think so, at least.
Because I remember hiding in the corner being all scared shit because Dan got passed out for a little bit. Or as you like to put it, falling on his hands and knees. grabbed all the substances. Alright, close the door, thanks.
So rude.
Yeah, I know, right? I was just... What the hell's wrong with you? I'm gonna complain about you. Can I get like good control of you, or are you gonna be stoned?
Stare at the light. The light is your friend. Be a mod.
Be a mod.
Go towards the light.
Seriously, Daniel, I cannot play you.
Oh, what's up down my shelf? Is that nothing?
I got it.
Yes, more light. Worst thing happens, you guys throw that at that monster.
You can't stare at the monsters too long.
Okay.
Just so much.
So pretty much close your eyes and just pray.
Pray to God he'll go away. Chill, jeez. Never seen someone so uptight looking at.
Well, he does have
There's nothing
amnesia.
left. Everything is gone.
Oh yeah, now he actually... What the hell? What a weird game. Just in case.
Just let him have a panic attack once in a while.
He has a lot of those.
It's good for the heart.
Good for the heart, my ass.
Keeps it strong.
Man, how would you run like a little finger up the stairs?
Panic, panic, panic. No? You only panic when...
Trust me, you'll know when I stop playing this game altogether. It's coming up. Probably next 2 minutes or so. Something about wondering.
I don't know. What does that have to do with the game or anything?
Freak it out again!
Use a lantern. Those things aren't real. In your head.
Actually, they are. They're just such a...
You're an organic weird compound.
We all are.
It's called ectoplasm.
Called ectoplasm. Okay, so... Just going towards the laboratory? Or something?
I never told you.
Ew!
The cloth smelled of desert and damp musk. The pieces lay scrambled on top, too many of them, he thought. Or perhaps too few. More horses.
It's owls, I think.
I like to believe they're horses.
Okay.
They're burned in the fire.
Nothing burned in the fire.
Yeah, we're burned in the fire. I don't know, I'm assuming a fire happens. Whoa!
Instinct.
Grab it! It's rolling towards you!
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Yes! Like a boss.
Like a beast.
Oh.
I don't want to let it force.
Ew, it's over.
Ew, don't trip me!
Ooh, a letter. Chemical. Red liver.
The stable ingredients. Whoa.
Oh, cool. Love this shit.
Yeah, you can make some sort of chemical coffee.
What does it do? So, what's the chemist? And why are you just go in your corner and chill out.
You're getting a timeout, Daniel.
You're obviously losing your mind. Rainbowy. Need to turn the burners on first.
Of course, you're gonna be so precise about that.
Oh look, light. You know, I bet you the monsters up there are just pacing back and forth just to freak you out. But who's the awesome chemist now?
Let me get acid on this.
Okay.
But we're gonna need a container. Yeah. Well, fine.
Whoa!
God's sake. Seriously.
Jesus, another flashback?
Yep.
There should be more coop rats. Let me
That's
see.
you, James.
And one part aquaforce.
Yep.
They're intense.
You found a Snickers.
On this fucking chair.
Daniel, your management.
Watch, Daniel. They're gonna get you. They're gonna get you.
See, I told you to eat your vegetables.
One day I'll return.
My love and go on. When I find myself doing terrible things, I take comfort in you. What? As long as I am able to think of you and for long, I know I'm better
off than others. I weep for them. They lust for power without restraint. I only praise their judgment.
and a safe return. Aww. He's only half crazy. What is that?
There's gotta be something important.
Not the sauna?
No, I got the container.
Then let's go splash acid at the pools.
What?
Yep.
Fucking thing. I mean, fucking thing. Let's do this right again.
Rainbow.
Yeah, you sure are gonna be high on acid after this shit. That's what it is. It's acid. Pot of acid.
Two of my favorite chemicals. Kidding, kidding. Holy folks, just joking. So, what do we spray acid on?
Where the front entrance is.
Why? To try to, like...
See? Oh,
Why did he do that, Dick?
because monsters are assholes.
Jesus Christ, anger management.
Bastards. There's gotta be something in there.
I'm sure he can't jump and grab, can he? No, he can't, because he's useless. He can't even fight a stupid ghost.
Huh. Well, no pun intended there. Lay this out. Need a piece of wood.
Why do we need a piece of wood?
So that we can get it out there.
Why do we need a piece of wood for that?
Well, I'm not like there's something we can actually kill.
Use objects in this kind of places? No, shut up.
Fucking thing. Fucking controls. Daniel, why can't you jump? You're an idiot.
He's actually quite human. Normal. You know, most video games you can jump 20 feet in the air.
Yeah, like jump halfway across the room in a matter of seconds.
Him, he can't even, he panics when he sees ghosts. He can barely light a tinder box.
I don't know.
What is his obsession with random cats? Cut it, cut it.
Stick your nose.
Aww. Taste it.
You.
I wonder what it tastes like.
Jump down here.
The door is locked, but if you throw acid on it...
That thing.
Ew.
Yeah, I know.
Splash it, splash it. But acid can dissolve through it like it was air. Oh look, you need more.
We're just going down to the refinery. Yeah, nothing bad's gonna happen down here. This is why I decided to quit playing for a while. We've been taking time. Sigh.
Okay, gosh.
It sure is dark in here.
Thank you.
Yes, and there's a good reason for it. But you can light the lamp now if you wish.
What's the reason? For the darkness, that is.
Stay close. Be careful not to stray.
What's the reason? Why is
Oh,
it so
stop
dark?
that word.
Pay attention, Daniel. It's important that you keep going straight and make sure not to stray.
Make sure not to be straight. Thank you so very much.
What's the darkness for? None of your goddamn business.
Not much fun. Then it's way too
Well, that's Whoa, there it is. And you're staring at it.
That's when I stopped playing. I was like, fuck that.
They just look like little, you know, stick figures.
They don't look like stick figures. Screw that.
Well, they shadow.
Shadow people.
I don't know how to describe it. They look like, you know,
They look like ugly, disgusting creatures that you dream about.
more like, because all I saw was just like a glorified stick.
Give us a moment, guys. We are now. Okay, so sorry about that, guys. I had to check up on a few things. Apparently in about 10 minutes. So
Yay!
I'm gonna go past the point that I couldn't. Fuck.
Hopefully,
What was that?
hopefully we'll make it past the point.
Well, no, this is where I basically stopped.
Oh, you're dying. Think of a happy place.
Strawberries and cream!
On a island in Mexico.
Puerto Rico.
Jesus.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
There's a candle. Light the candle. Monsters come. You die.
Ah! Papa! I would hate that. What's this? Oh. Useful. Physics.
Yay! Too bad you can't light the broken glass juice.
Fucking doors. I hate doors in this fucking game. Open?
So it's like, no, I don't want to open.
Fucking
I think it's Daniel. He's just like, I don't want to open this door. I know what's behind this door.
Nice. Nice.
You need some Prozac. Ah!
Whatever's behind the doors aren't protecting, right? What the hell? Stop,
I don't
Daniel.
know.
Stop.
22nd of June, 1839.
He's being
It's
forced.
been more than a month since my last entry. After the event inside the underground chamber in Algeria, Professor Herbert insisted I return to England. He said he didn't want to risk forfeiting the entire expedition lest I took a turn for the worse. An excessive decision, in retrospect. But I'm glad it turned out that way. I found my journal this morning in the haphazard collection of things brought home from Africa. Next to it lay the broken stone orb wrapped in cloth. I tried to assemble it, but couldn't. The pieces wouldn't fit together, as if they weren't from the same object. Could I have imagined it all? Was there ever a complete orb?
Yes.
You've unleashed a powerful demon. You are
You've released the
screwed.
powerful.
You are screwed. Then you
Enter the
became
darkness.
a pansy. Now you're afraid of your own shadow. But you're screwed.
Please, Daniel, control yourself. I don't like the way you do
I wish
this.
you guys doesn't like wet himself.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, there could be monsters about here, just gonna knock shit over. I'm over here! Hey guys!
You can actually throw shit at them, so...
Does it do anything? Besides piss them off?
I don't remember.
Oh.
Damn it, it's blocking on the other side.
Closer.
No!
Like a giant dick.
The guy said closer, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Something behind there, but that should help. Stop attacking me, you fucking wall!
They're zits. They can't help if they explode.
So true.
The house have knacking problems.
How's it definitely problems? I wonder what's around this corner. Death! Ah!
Oh look! A wall. Tell me more.
He's panicking! He's panicking! It's the end of the world! It's the end of the world! Okay, I'm good. No, go away. Fuck the line.
No, please don't. That's it.
Is that another tuner box? Take the fucking thing. Stop. Take it. I think we should move some of these boxes or something.
You're in a game like this. Never played this before. I've only heard about it.
Please, we already passed the part where I was at. And so I'm just doing this blindly now.
Let's go back to the door with the boxes.
I think there's nothing in there. Yes, I do find something.
Oh, just that monster behind you.
Stop that. Really?
No.
Stop that.
You'd be panicking, are you kidding? He sees a shadow, he does that.
Oh, dear.
Crawl, Daniel, crawl!
That's the bitch you are.
Get to your corner! The hell scared him?
25th of June, 1839. I feel the need to continue this journal, even though it was intended for my journey to Africa. This must be something very important. I just know it. I've taken it upon myself to piece the orb back together, but it's been more difficult than one might think. The pieces are behaving strangely. They seem to change colour, shape, and texture, but ever so slightly. Yesterday, I took careful measurements and notated any significant markings. Today, I confirmed my suspicions.
They were changing!
I was terrified and rushed off to see the finest geologist in London, Sir William Smith.
Yeah, that's common.
I approached the subject with care and we discussed how rocks change form. He told me about the nature of glass, how it eventually collapses on itself, like ice slowly melting over the course of centuries. Smith eased my mind a bit, but I can't escape the feeling that these shards have otherworldly properties.
So Daniel, are you realizing what you went wrong? You meddle with things that art shall not be meddled with. You fucked with the laws of nature.
Yeah, you basically screwed yourself over.
Or if that changes shape and color mysteriously that doesn't want to go back together, let's force it.
Exactly. What happens to people like you?
You should have stayed in Africa.
Because you kinda got the time you never had. You know that song from Toto?
Yes. You're super strong. One hand.
Yeah, and yet magically you can't defend yourself.
What are you gonna do? Bitch slap the monsters?
Exactly.
Without looking at them. Close your eyes and swat. Oh my god. It's a room with more zits.
And a torch.
That's lit.
Enter the light.
I think you've either been here before or someone has kindly lit the torch for you.
Better be open for that one. Either that, or the monster wants to see me. Which is very bad.
Well, hello there. Come here often.
Okay, I'm good.
the monster, run!
I'd be like, what piece of me? Then I'd be running at the same time. Enter the redness!
See, I don't think that there ever was a monster. I think he just took a bunch of that acid. And he's just freaking out.
He is freaking out. Is this open? No. Enter the redness!
The hatch is too heavy to lift by hand. Your feet.
So that means something over that rope.
Yeah, go over to that rope thing, the other side of the room, and there might be a switch. Conveniently opens that door.
Unless we need a puzzle solved.
Don't or do?
I don't know.
No.
I'm kind of blindly going through this. Would you just pick up the fucking boxes? You see that? I did it. 10 boxes.
Box? I think that's probably safe.
You know, you can move things brilliantly. Yeah, there's no fix. It's that.
Oh, there's a crane. Crank it. It's stuck. Something is called fire. Crank. Something behind that door. It's a monster.
Shut up.
What else? A giant penguin?
Okay, so is that one previously that said there was some stuff, so...
Yeah, it should be on the other side of the wall. Right, yep, right there.
Sadly, it doesn't look like it.
Explore a little bit, you know, anything.
Tell me that I was the only one that just heard that.
I think that...
At least I don't freak out as much as I should. I think it's what Silent Hill has done. Everything I learned from Silent Hill.
Don't worry, I can pick up the 12 of us.
12 of us.
The 2 of us. There's no more of us.
Okay, so if there is some sort of crane thing, unstuck road.
I would try the other side of this room, not that room. Not that one, back that one. On the right side. I should be there. That rope is.
Enter the redness. What the hell's up with the redness? Oh, something else we'll have to look it up. What the hell's up with the redness? Seriously, what the hell?
Maybe there's a red light.
Magical red light. That would make sense.
Little red fairy calls. This fairy of happiness will go.
I wish I could lean in like Garrett. Before going in. Oh, we can't. Never mind. So, apparently, like, we're not really finding anything, what? Let's just keep looking. Look everywhere. Especially if you don't hold. I just saw that. No, I saw a creature. I know I saw something. What the hell?
Jesus, you're freaking out just like him.
Shut up! The game plays tricks on you too.
What we should do though is every time you leave a room, we should move another show.
Oh god, that'd be great. Of course I don't do that. I should do that on the bench.
A pack of cigarettes.
That's bottles.
It's looking like some kind of angry drum. I hate my life!
I guess I can wander around for a little while longer. See, that's taking a lot of fucking time. If I was smart, where would I hide it? Not long for mine.
Probably the same room where the problem is.
That's true. People don't put effort into what they're trying to find. That's what we're here.
There's like you know, the crank, maybe there's like a piece of red stuff in the middle. I want to say where those rope things are, right? Maybe there's something. Oh, wait. Go up, see if you can fix it. Okay.
Not.
Maybe try adding oil to the thing?
Can't. It's all Andrew.
Oh. Yeah, that was...
Oh, Max! I think you know.
He's probably...
What the hell is it? I told stop!
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Just jump up and down the screen. So it's everywhere. Alright, let's look at the crank first.
I don't know. There's gotta be something. Something that can give us a stop!
Cousin Hank.
What?
Oh, like Cousin Hank. His mother.
Oh. Cross the kitchen at you?
No, Cousin Hank, you know, just
Oh.
a giant bird.
No, if we could pull it manually, it wouldn't be a big deal.
Yeah, but it's a puzzle.
Exactly. So if I was smart, what would I do? Maybe we could throw something at it.
Whoa.
Hey, you have to try everything, right?
Yeah. Oh, gee. What did that do?
Did something.
No, it jiggled it, but can't. You need to move the box. I would have said, you know, gee, I think I need to move this with the box. Good stick. Can you imagine beating one of the monsters with that? It's not like throwing it, just like walking around it. You asshole! Okay, it's not working. Let's try something else.
Yeah, but it looked like it was.
You look like it was.
Okay, so where do you suggest we go?
I say we get the problems most like the problems most likely in that room. Maybe
Okay.
with the rope, maybe check each individual thing. I don't know. I think our 2 minutes are up.
Alright guys, we're gonna have to wrap it up for today. I guess we're just walking around.
I'm Weyland and Celissa. Yay!
Thanks for watching, guys. It's always fun to have a little party, but I guess we're stuck a little, maybe, when there's more time.
We're gonna go and read, like, the walkthrough, eventually.
Yeah.
See what we get from there, so if you're not, like, just watching 2 hours of this. Us trying to figure out a problem we may never be able to solve.
But if we just solve it or whatever, then we'll do it off screen, then we record it or whatever.
Yeah, we'll act surprised.
Oh my god! We didn't know it was that. Oh my! Okay. Later, guys.